Okay, I'm going to replace the Rude 3.5 ton condenser, 1984, I believe. Looks like an RA or a UACC, but it's coming out. It's coming out. I'm going to run the line set. There's a little cavity in here, so I'm going to run the line set right where this hole's at. I'm going to cut this out, run my line sets down the wall. You're going to see a new Rheem 3.5 ton condenser installed here. Oh, happy day. I'm going to pull the line set in to the indoor coil. We got it all taped up. Got the whole tape so we don't have Shredfest 2013. It's going to pull nice and easy. No kinks. You're either going to tape it now or you're going to be taping it in the attic. The choice is yours. Looking pretty good. Just got to do a little patching up by the line cover there. Strap the unit down. And we're going to be all set. We're going to be all set. Looking good. All done. 3.5 tons of air. 3.5 tons of air.